Hello, little learners. Look around you. We live on a beautiful planet called Earth. We need clean air, clean water, trees, plants, and a clean environment to live happily and stay healthy. But what happens when we throw too much garbage everywhere? Garbage can make our surroundings dirty. It can also harm animals, plants, and nature. So, how can we help our Earth? Today, we are going to learn 3 very important words: reduce, reuse, and recycle. These 3 words can help us reduce waste and keep our planet clean. Are you ready? Let's learn them one by one. Our first word is reduce. Reduce means using less and avoiding waste. For example, we should not waste water. When you brush your teeth, don't leave the tap running. Turn off the tap when you don't need water. When you leave a room, remember to switch off the lights and fans. What about food? Sometimes we take more food than we can eat and then throw it away. Instead, take only the amount of food you can finish. We can also reduce the use of plastic. Instead of using a new plastic bag every time, we can carry a cloth bag. So remember, reduce means use less and don't waste. Great job! Now let's learn our second word, reuse. Reuse means using something again instead of throwing it away. Let's look at some examples. Imagine you have an empty glass jar. Should we throw it away immediately? No! We can clean it and use it to keep pencils, crayons, buttons, or small toys. What about an old cardboard box? We can turn it into a toy house, a pencil holder, or use it for an art project. An old notebook may have some unused pages. We can use those pages for drawing or practice. And instead of using a new plastic bottle every day, we can carry a reusable water bottle. We can also reuse cloth bags many times. So, whenever you have something you no longer need, stop and think. Can I use it again? If the answer is yes, reuse it. Remember, reuse means use something again. Now we have reached our third word, recycle. Recycle means turning certain old or used materials into new products. For example, old newspapers can be recycled to make new paper. Glass bottles can also be recycled. Metal cans can be recycled and made into new metal products. Some plastic items can also be recycled. You may have seen the recycling symbol. It has 3 arrows going around in a circle. But remember, children, not everything can go into the recycling bin. We should learn what materials can be recycled and put them in the correct bin. And always ask an adult for help when you are unsure. When we reduce waste, we use fewer resources. When we reuse things, we don't need to throw them away quickly. When we recycle, useful materials can be turned into new products. Remember, children, we don't have to do something huge to help our planet. Small actions can make a big difference. Let's promise to be Earth heroes. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Keep our Earth clean, green, and beautiful. See you in the next learning video on Kids Learning.